Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change a Chrysler 300 door handle. This guide will walk you through the entire process, making it straightforward and manageable. You will need a few basic tools, including a trim removal tool, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a flathead screwdriver. Having a small socket set, perhaps 10mm and 8mm sockets, will also be very helpful. Always ensure you have your new handle ready before starting. Now, let's begin by carefully removing the interior door panel. First, use your trim removal tool to gently pry up the window switch panel. Disconnect the electrical connectors underneath. Next, look for 1 or 2 screws, often Phillips head, that secure the door panel, usually found behind the switch panel or door pull. Once these are out, carefully work your trim tool around the edges to release the plastic clips holding the panel in place. With the door panel off, you can now access the door handle assembly. You will see a lock rod and a cable attached to the handle. Carefully disconnect both of these. There are typically 2 or 3 bolts, often 8mm or 10mm, holding the handle in place. Remove these bolts, then slide the old handle out. Now, simply reverse the process to install your new handle, ensuring all connections are firmly seated. Now it's time to reassemble everything. First, reconnect any electrical connectors you detached, especially for the window switch. Carefully align the door panel with the door frame, ensuring all the clips line up. Gently push the panel firmly into place until you hear the clips snap securely. Reinstall any screws you removed earlier. Finally, test the new door handle's operation and confirm your power windows are working correctly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.